You've actually just got penalties. 12 penalties you got. You did not react. We are survivors. We don't want to fight any system. But it's about time elected members of the party tell the AICC that, hello, you cannot dictate terms to us. Because you have seen the drama all the 50 years of statehood in Meghalaya. It's always AICC who's being blamed for all the rubbish that happens in the party. Now with 5 of us, don't disturb us. We are showing you the way if you want to build this party forward. You don't listen to us. You take action which is going to be against your interest. We leave it to your wisdom. We are Congress, thankful to the party for having given us a jersey in 18. We will not desert you, we will not ditch you, but you can no longer control us. Listen to our advice, because that is going to be good for the party in the state of Meghalaya. Otherwise, do what you want. You cannot say that we are in a charity relationship with any party organization. We are not running a charity organization. We are responsible for the people who have elected us. From here forward, you see how many projects we are going to lay foundation stones of. Why were we denied this for the last 4 years? Only because of some politics which somebody else was playing? 5 of us will not take it anymore. You take your actions, no problem. We will deal with those actions, because nothing is more greater than serving people rather than a party.
Do you think for next election it will be very big tough for you to fight in the election?
See, leaders don't look at elections. Leaders look at current situation. People empowered me, elected me to do my job. Why would I not do my job because I'm afraid of that other election that is coming? I do this first, right? Then I can think of that. But right now, nothing is happening. So I feel that elections will be the result of your own hard work. Literally speaking, in our state especially, you have seen party really has no significance. I think you have seen it also. The people of the state also see it. So we have taken a call. Please respect our call. We are giving the AICC and the MPCC a proper plan of action. Please take our suggestion, because we are the players. You may bring water for us from time to time. You may bring oxygen for us when we get tired. But don't dictate terms. And don't take decisions without our knowledge. Lot of decisions are being taken without our knowledge. We strongly object to this. We are the only remaining force. Respect us. To dry my dirty linen in public, there is a system in place. It does not really matter about what one individual says. But if you remember correctly and recall, on the 22nd of January, we had met the Honorable Chief Minister for a issue-based support with the government in the state of Meghalaya. Now, the million-dollar question is, why weren't any letters communicated to the CLP not to go ahead? When you have written a letter and you have justified your stand for supporting a government as a political entity, if there was any difficulty or objection to our plan as 5 elected members, it would have been good for the MPCC or the AICC to write back to the CLP. You cannot at any point of time dilute the authority of the CLP. We are not a rubber stamp CLP. We are the only surviving 5 in the party at this point of time. So if you're going to say that though it is difficult to even meet you, we have to still wait for your permission for decisions to be taken which are politically productive for the state, then I think we will debate in-house. You may send us whatever letters of questions, or you may try whatever stunts you want. The ball now is in the court of the MPCC. We are elected members. We shall not indulge in battering on the public domain. We have a house. Bring on this debate to the house. We will discuss in-house, because at the end of the day, 5 MLAs cannot be ignored by anyone. You did not mandate us to the Legislative Assembly. You have to remember that. And if 5 elected MLAs are telling you that this is the way to go forward, and you still want to not listen to us, then you will be responsible for any further damage of the party in the state of Meghalaya. I do not take the bait that there is a BJP tag in any of these movements. Please stop joking with us. 2 MLAs in the state of Meghalaya who happen to be BJP are part of the coalition is none of our problems.